最初から無理だなんて決めつけるなんて
This is about my journey in a Jurassic Park themed bicycle trail.
しない育児なしよくあるパターン安全な道ばかり選ぶ
I was amazed at how scenic the trail was.
平凡にはならないわ Crazy day
The trail has waterfalls, endless rice fields, and Hawaiian-style mountain ridges. Yet, it is so flat and so easy to bike through. In the rice field, you can see cows and goats intermingling together in this tropical paradise. My journey starts at dawn at the Karang Aji beach villa by the beach with my beat-up bicycle. Once you reach the waterfall, you will be amazed by the surrounding valley, sea view, and beautiful ridge. Just before reaching the pristine turquoise lagoon's twin waterfalls, I passed the endless paddy fields with the photogenic mountain range similar to the Hawaiian Jurassic Park ridge in the background. You can jump into the cold crystal clear waters in the lagoon safely. It's like kids going to Disneyland. So folks, I would definitely encourage you to try this amazing biking trail before it gets crowded and popular.